you ever found a home in the neighborhood that you love, but you just don't like some of the details? I'm Kathy O'Neill with the Ehlen Team and Remax. We're going to chat today with Liz Lane from People's Mortgage about renovation financing so that you can turn the house that you like into the home that you love. Hi Liz, thanks so much for joining us today. Can you tell us a little bit about what renovation financing is?
Yes, so renovation financing is available on all different loan types, and you can use that to change details in your home, whether it be adding doors onto a room, changing configuration layouts, or just doing simple updates like updating kitchen cabinetry, lighting, flooring, what have you.
So for example, in this kitchen, what are some things that a buyer could utilize a renovation loan for?
So they can do whatever changes they want. It can be big, it can be small. You can do appliance updates, you could do flooring updates, you could do lighting updates, or you could do a full kitchen renovation, which would include your cabinets, countertops, the whole 9 yards.
So if a buyer's really handy, could they say go to Home Depot, pick out their cabinets, their countertops, and do that installation on their own?
No, actually they can't. So all renovations do need to be conducted with a general contractor, a licensed general contractor.
Is this something that's geared towards someone that's going to live in the home, or could, say, an investor use something like this?
Both, actually. So we do have products that are good for primary, secondary, and investment homes, and loan types from government loans, FHA type, conventional, VA. There's many options out there for the renovation home loan financing.
I have some ideas for this house. Is it possible that we could walk around and you can tell me what would work and what wouldn't?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do that.
Okay. Okay, so here's an idea I have, and I think that buyers would appreciate in this home. There is a full bathroom behind you,
Okay.
and then we have this office space.
Okay.
But I think it would be a great option for, multi-generational or whatever the case may be, to enclose this space and create a bedroom so that you'd have an extra space for family to stay when they have their own little area.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, renovation loans would be perfect for that. You could update the bathroom if you wanted to. You could enclose this space here. You could make it into a full accessory unit by walling off this wall here, adding a exterior access door here. So there's really, the options are pretty unlimited. It's really just comes down to budget and what's right for the family purchasing the home.
So is this something that's going to take a lot longer to close because there's renovations that are being done?
No, actually no. You will close just like you would on any other standard home purchase, and the renovations are done after closing.
So what are some of the most common things that you're seeing done on these renovation loans, and what's the time frame for getting those things done?
So most often we see flooring updates, paint, cabinetry, kitchen, bath updates, but really the sky's the limit as far as the buyer's creativity and what they want to get done. As far as timing, renovations start after close. It needs to start within 30 days after close, and you have about 6 months to get everything done.
So I think probably the last question that people would want to know is, how much is this going to cost them?
So the interest rate on a renovation loan is going to be slightly higher than just your standard purchase, but definitely less than if you did a different form of financing, such as a separate HELOC or other types of lines of credit.
Liz, thanks so much for joining us and explaining the renovation loan. I'm really excited because I think this opens up a lot of opportunities for buyers who want to create their perfect home.